how to fix Instagram blank screen on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram blank screen on Android or iOS phone. First thing you need to do here is to go to Play Store or App Store and then type here Instagram. Now click on it and here just see if there's an update for your Instagram, and after that go to settings and then scroll all the way down. Now click battery and here you will find the ultra power saving mode. Now enable it and then disable it, and now just go back. Open your Instagram and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just uninstall your Instagram and install it again. I hope that can fix your problem, and see you in the next video.